Hello, and thank you for joining us in the BrainWords studio. I am Dr. Richard Gentry, the author of Spelling Connections. Today, let's focus on how to do a spelling pretest for the week. The spelling pretest results will allow the teacher to assess the student's level as either emerging, on level, or challenge. The teacher will then assign an appropriate word list matching each student's level. We will go inside a third grade class where, with the help of our guest teacher, we will demonstrate a weekly lesson from the third grade text of Spelling Connections, a word study approach.